The last one is a fast one. It's Thursday morning, folks. Washing day, laundry day. Nobody loves that. It's another scorcher of a day. It was baking last night. I think, as you all well know, summer's back again. Take a look at this. Now that is wall-to-wall sunshine, and it's hot already. It says on the thermostat down there it's 29 degrees, or no, 29 inside. It says 33 outside again, but I can say you see 33 degrees. I don't know. I think it's that hot, but it's hot. I think Stanley's trying to tell me something this morning. Come on. Come on. This way. Oh. Wash day. Tomorrow we'll be smelling of sparkling bloom and yellow poppy. One of those, for good measure. What are you doing in here? You can't get through there, can you? Hey, what are you doing? How are you doing in here? Huh? Who said you could come in here? Oh, naughty little spaniel. Naughty boy, aren't you? Hmm? Naughty boy. Right. Stanley here. I want it as hot as molten lava. Kill all those bacteria. Some of that as well. What are you doing in here? Eh? What are you wagging that tail for? What are you wagging that tail for? You come to do some washing? What you showing me them teeth for? Eh? What you showing them teeth for? A dirty face, isn't it? What you showing those teeth for? Eh? Or is it a silly dog? Yes, you are. Silly dog. Right, next. What? You pressing the button? Press the button. Press the button. Press the button. Press the button. Press it. No. Extra rinse. And to go, go, go. Whilst I'm in here, I may as well show you the bikes. I'll do a proper tour in a bit. So you can make them out or not. Let's put the light on. We've got KTM 690 Enduro R. It's not been ridden, as I said the other day. It's done, well, I think about 80 miles to be fair. It's since lockdown. It's just not had the use. I keep putting bits on it, just getting heavier and heavier with bits that look really good, but nothing actually being used. The bigger bike is the KTM 1190 Adventure. Both kind of geared up for off-road, or having the option to go off-road. They both got big, as she said new Anarchy Wild Spawn. But we'll give you a proper tour in daylight hours when the bikes are out and about, and get some footage on the GoPro as well. Go for a bit of off-road stuff, but yeah, they're the two bikes as well. Thought I'd better mention them, seeing as it's called Van Life, Motorbike Life and My Life. So folks, I've brought you up to one of the high points of where I live. It's not just a high point in being here, but it's a high point in how beautiful the outlook is. We are just at the top of, I think it's called a place called the Graig. It overlooks Pembrey and Burry Port Harbour. It's very well. You can see down into Gower. Let's get that back. It's one of my kind of favourite spots to come and park up. But you can can make that out now. You kind of got Tenby over there, and then you've got Worm's Head about there. That's kind of Rusilly area. This is Llangenneth, and then down towards the kind of Whitford Sands down there. A little bit nearer to home, you've got Burry Port here. Down there is the lighthouse. There's the RNLI station, and then the old port, or the old marina. Obviously that's where the new marina is down there. I think my finger's pointed in the right direction. Obviously this is the tidal estuary. So looking down now, it is, you can see down there, it's beautiful. Beautiful golden beaches. But really, on a sunny day, the elevation you have here, looking down, it's a bit hazy out to Gower. So the van door parked sideways, and then obviously, if you can see in the view, you get absolutely beautiful. It really is. It's a bit of a narrow lane to get up, but again, for the motorbike as well, that's a nice little lane. But I think forecast is today about 33 degrees, one of the hottest days of the year. And then after tonight, got 5 days off. Bring it on. Can't wait. If the weather's like this, it's going to be awesome. And people question, why van life? Well, you can park up, and you can literally pick your views, and you've got everything you need, as I said yesterday, and you've got these awesome views. Now, where else would you need to be? You don't get a hotel that offers you that, and I'm sure these people who live further down this lane only pay a whacking council tax. Your vehicle's insured, you're MOT'd, road tax, your home, your van, yeah, everything you need. But no, it really is an awesome place.
Maybe you came from heaven, maybe using me a second.